I'm Faith. I'm the Zoe Report's Executive Beauty Director, and the biggest part of my job is always keeping an eye out for the biggest trends in fashion and beauty. I would say my personal style is very simple, streamlined, but I'm really drawn to unique pieces. I love a bright pop of color, a bit of detail that feels special and unique. So today I am checking out a rack of T.J.Maxx clothes to see if I can swap in some items for my fall wardrobe. I felt like the chances weren't very high that I would find something that I really loved, but we shall see. All right, so I'm at the rack. This is all T.J.Maxx. I'm already seeing some interesting things. Okay, love this green. This shade of green was everywhere on the runways. I feel like it's going to be fall's it color. And the polo color is just fun and flattering. So let's see what else. Oh my gosh, these leather pants. Leather pants are such a fall staple, and I love the fit of these. I like that they flare out a little bit at the bottom so you can wear them with sneakers or boots. Okay, so I am so into this blazer. I feel like this color just instantly commands attention. I also love that it's belted. It just feels expensive. Okay, obsessed with this. It must be cashmere, and the detailing here with these buttons and the keyholes. This is so chic and looks so luxe. And okay, love this leopard coat. It almost feels more like an oversized blazer. I feel like this is very chic for fall. You can just throw this on over anything and just instantly spice up your outfit. All right, let's go try them on and see how they look. So I honestly love every single part of this outfit that I'm wearing right now. I feel like it's so me. This blazer is my favorite new statement piece. I love this shirt. I think the cutouts are so cool. It just gives it that little bit of edge that spices up the look a little bit. This is such a fun outfit for fall. I really love this leopard coat, and I really like how structured it is. I love this patent leather skirt. It's not too short, and paired with the patent leather loafers, it's just such a fun, breezy fall look. Can I keep this on? It's so cute. So if you're unsure about shopping at T.J.Maxx, I will say from a firsthand experience, you will definitely find amazing pieces. And honestly, I am blown away. So get your fall fashion on at TJ Maxx and TJMaxx.com.